Hello everyone. So are you preparing for UPSC? You know that for UPSC or even for a state PCS examination like CAPF and even other examination, there is one foundation thing which you cannot miss, and that is NCERT. Now, when we talk about NCERT, so KGS has come with this one plan to make your foundation very much strong with the help of NCERT. We are coming with a batch from 15th of June 2026. This is going to be there in English medium and it is available in online. Now, when we talk about this course, you can see its registration has already started. Its registration is going on from 21st of May. It will end on 30th of June and the classes are going to start from the 15th of June of this year. Now, when we talk about this, it has a course validity of 12 months. And as I told you earlier, that we are going to conduct this in English medium so that along with the concepts, you can also have a good grasp on your language also. When you are going to appear in the examination in English language, we should be working on it from the very beginning. So we are going to have this NCERT course in English medium in online. Now, when we talk about this, that which exams you can easily crack or you can build a very good foundation for which exams. When we talk about this, this is something which is ideal for UPSC Civil Services, State PCS, CUET, SSC and even for other competitive examination. Even if you are preparing for defense exams, this is one thing which is very much crucial. When we talk about this, in our batch, we are going to have 250 plus live interactive classes which we are going to conduct through our KGS application. At the same time, we will have a comprehensive NCERT coverage. We will have the coverage of entire NCERT from class 6 to class 12. And we will do it in a detailed manner so that your foundation should be very much strong. Your foundation should be such that after completing this NCERT, you should be able to solve good number of questions from prelims and can also have a solid material for writing answers for the mains exam also. Now at the same time, we are also going to have the best faculties, the same faculties who are also teaching at Delhi Center. Now at the same time, you can also go through these recorded lectures unlimited. Okay, so you can revise it unlimited number of times. So this is one thing which is being offered as part of this course. Now, we also have a doubt resolution part because many a times when you are going through some subjects, then when you are going through the concepts of geography or science or environment or economy, there is going to be some doubt in your mind. And for that purpose, we are having a dedicated doubt resolution by the expert faculty members. At the same time, we will also have like high quality maps, diagrams, charts, flow charts, so that the learning can become easy. Remembering the concepts, going through them, memorizing it becomes quite simple. Then we will also have the post-class study material, the class PPTs, study materials. They will be provided immediately after every session so that you can complete your notes. While going through classes, if you miss something, you can add it on. Then what we see that we have a structured preparation strategy which is systematic and exam oriented. And at the same time, I think you all know this one part that KGS has always advocated an affordable education for the masses, affordable education for the students, for the aspirants. So we are again going to provide this in a very affordable manner. If we talk about the subjects and the faculty, so for history, we have K. Siveshar. You may have seen many of his videos on YouTube also. He's explaining the concepts in a very simple manner. At the same time, we have Polity by Gautam sir, Economics by Shubham Sharma sir. And for your general science, I will be taking your classes. I will be helping you through the concepts of general science. Then we will also have classes of environment and ecology by Rajvardhan sir and geography by Prince Mishra sir. So these are the faculties. You can easily know about them. You can see how they teach. So this is one such opportunity where you can get a very quality NCERT classes through some of the best faculties. Now, at the same time, this NCERT is going to help you to put you in a systematic manner towards your exam preparation. So see you all in this session. You can go through the website of KGS. You can join the course from there. You can also go to the app and you can join the course from there. So see you all in the sessions. Thank you everyone. Take care.